Hello students, in previous YouTube link I had completed warm-up exercise, right? I hope you have also completed in your workbooks. Now come to the same page, page number 41. Today I am going to explain this lesson. Lesson number 4, Marching to Freedom. Marching to Freedom मतलब freedom के लिए लड़ाई करना, right? So in this lesson we are going to learn about the British Raj and the health decisions and what Gandhiji had done. We are going to learn several things. So without wasting our time, let's start. Read. What we have to read? We have to read the lesson. Dhani, a 9-year-old, lived in Sabarmati ashram with his parents. So who's there in our story? The girl Dhani. She is 9-year-old girl and she lives in Sabarmati ashram with his parents. किसके साथ रहती थी? अपने parents के साथ. It was here that Gandhiji planned and discussed his plans about getting freedom from British. One such plan was the Dandi March to protest against the salt tax. So, what was the place Sabarmati Ashram? It was a place where Gandhiji, he used to plan, he used to discuss about the plans and हाउ टू गेट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश. क्या प्लान करते थे वहाँ पर? अपने अलग अलग प्लान्स, अपने अलग अलग स्ट्रैटेजीज प्लान करते थे कि हम ब्रिटिश से कैसे हमें फ्रीडम मिलेगा. लाइक द प्लान डांडी मार्च. यू वुड बी नोइंग अबाउट डांडी मार्च, दैट द प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द सॉल्ट टैक्स. ये उन्होंने कहाँ पे प्लान किया था? इन द साबरमती आश्रम. धानी न्यू समथिंग एक्साइटिंग वॉज बींग प्लान एट द आश्रम. किसको खबर लग गई? धानी को खबर लग गई कि कुछ तो प्लान हो रहा है आश्रम में. बट नो वन वुड टेल हिम एनीथिंग. ही न्यू दे ऑल थॉट दैट एट 9 years ही वॉज टू यंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर प्लान. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर धानी, शी इज़ नॉट अ गर्ल, शी इज़ अ बॉय. कैसे पता चला हमें? इट वॉज यूज द वर्ड ही, हिम, है कि नहीं? वी यूज ही एंड हिम फॉर बॉयज. सो हु इज़ धानी हियर? धानी इज़ अ बॉय. So what did happen? All were knowing that Dhani is a small 9-year boy. So whether he should be included in the plan? No. So वो तो बहुत छोटा था, तो उसे प्लान में इंक्लूड करना था क्या? No. Kids, turn your page. That is page number 42. The morning while feeding his goat, Bini, Dhani said, "Something is up, Bini. I knew it." They sit in Gandhiji's room to talk and plan about something. Bini chewed and nodded her head as if she understood. So who's Bini? Bini is the goat. Bini कौन है? Goat है. And Dhani what she is saying? Bini, something is going on. All the members of the ashram, they go and sit in the Gandhiji's room and they discuss about the plan. And Bini, goat, उसने कैसे किया? उसने अपना सर नॉड किया as if बिनी द गोट को सब कुछ समझ रहा हो. यस और नो? धानी डिसाइडेड टू आस्क हिज मदर फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन. अम्मा, इज गांधीजी गोइंग समवेयर? ही आस्क्ड. नाउ what he is doing? He decided that he will ask to his mother and he said, Amma, is Gandhiji going somewhere? They are going on a march, replied his mother. धानी की मम्मी ने क्या रिप्लाई दिया? That they are going on a march. March? Where are they going? Dhani? Quiet. So Dhani, the little boy, what he is querying about? He is taking an inquiry that where Gandhiji is doing, what are the elders discussing in Gandhiji's room. So what did mother answer to Dhani? That Gandhiji, he is going on a march. And then she asked, March, acha, where they are going to go? Dhani's mother was getting impatient. What do you mean by impatient? Annoyed or irritated. धानी की मम्मी को क्या आ रहा था? गुस्सा आ रहा था. बिकॉज धानी ही इज आस्किंग टू मैनी क्वेश्चंस. शी वॉज गेटिंग इम्पेशेंट. समवेयर नियर द सी, शी रिप्लाइड एंड आस्क्ड धानी टू गो अवे. व्हाट डिड मदर सेड? कहीं पे जाने वाले? नियर द सी, समवेयर नियर द सी. गांधीजी इज गोइंग टू टेक अ मार्च एंड शी सेड जस्ट गो अवे फ्रॉम हियर. धानी वंडर्ड ऑफ टू द वेजिटेबल गार्डन. धानी कहाँ पर भाग कर आया? वेजिटेबल गार्डन. Old Binda was digging up potatoes when Dhani reached there. There was a strong smell of wet soil all around. So where did Dhani he came? He came to the vegetable garden, and old Binda he was busy with his work. What work was he doing? क्या कर रहे थे old Binda? He was digging up the potatoes. Binda Chacha, are you going on the march too? Binda shook his head. So what did Dhani? He said that Binda Chacha, आप भी जाने वाले हो मार्च के लिए? Are you going on the march too? So Binda he shook his head. Dhani continued asking, who is marching? Where are they going? What is happening? Dhani the little boy, now he is inquiring about the march from the Binda, है कि नहीं? Old Binda चाचा से वो सारी information निकाल रही है that where are they going, what is going to happen. Binda smiled and replied, Gandhiji and some of the men from the ashram are going to walk through Gujarat to reach the sea at a place called Dandi. They will walk through towns and villages for a whole month. Once they reach Dandi, they will make salt. So, what did old Binda Chacha said? That Gandhiji and some people of ashram, they are going to walk up to Gujarat. कहाँ जाने वाले? गुजरात तक जाने वाले. And they are going to reach at the sea, which is called as Dandi. वो पोर्शन को या उस एरिया को क्या नाम था? डांडी. And what they are going to do? They are going to prepare the salt over there. They are going to walk through towns and villages for a month. So students, here we will stop. Okay? Here we are going to stop, and the remaining lesson I will be explaining you in the next video. Till that, you have to read the story. Okay? Bye bye.